Hello everybody, my name is Marion. I'm the co-founder of Paleng, which is a library in the rural village of Tianku, Malialia. A separate but related activity to the library, which could be seen as an extension to the library, is what we call book festivals or book parties. So our book festivals are run in various places, sometimes schools, sometimes villages, wherever people want us. We arrive at school having organized with the teachers, principals and chiefs. We come with books, we come with food, we come with games, and we generally try to create a little party that says to children, books are good, books are fun, books are necessary. We read stories to children, we read with them. We ask them to respond to the stories we read, whether that's through acting out a story or drawing what they feel they understand about the story. And then Kgotatso and I play games with the children to just try and engender a festive air so that there's a very happy atmosphere. Then we give each child who comes to the festival books to take home. The kind of books that we give will depend on the groups of children who we are working with. We try to judge their levels, their ages, and we give them books. But each child generally leaves a book festival with at least 3 to 5 books in a little plastic bag which says, these are my books, and they take them home.